Okay. Alright. I'm glad I was able to find Rascal, but I just realized there's more damage than I thought to our yard. All this stuff got blown away. Look at this. This was some crazy ass fucking storm. Alright, now I'm gonna go around front. Yeah, there's bits of leaves and stuff in our driveway. My car's alright, it got a car wash. I don't see anything wrong with it. That's okay. We still have internet and electricity. Kenny and Cindy's trash cans got a little tossed. Oh wow. Here's their patio or chairs and stuff. That's behind us. Kenny's gone. Even though it's kind of pouring, I'm not really getting wet. Whoa, dude. I keep missing the lightning. Just had some really cool lightning. Whoa. That color just changed. It was a light blue on my screen and now it's gray. I know I need to go back inside, but this is too fucking cool to miss. Come on, I just want one more good lightning strike and then I'll go inside. I want to capture it on camera. See, I caught flashes, but I didn't catch the actual lightning. Means it's gonna happen back here. Really still can't catch anything on the ground, can it? Rain's picking up. I'm going back in. Oh well. I don't know if you can see it, but what the heck's that mean? AE lock. Anyway, right there's the big tree limbs. And there's that big tree over there. And then on top of Marcy's garage. Oh my god. Now I'm really beginning to see the full extent over there. The neighbors. Not sure if you can see it in this dim light. The trees are all over the place. I'm not even tired. Alrighty, I don't know if I'm signing off for good or not, but goodbye.